Hi everyone, just wanted to show you weeds that become flowers. Kind of pretty, huh? Let's walk over there and take a look. These are vining way up into the tree. I think I had a video before where it was just like one of them over here that was flowered out, but now look at them. Boy, they have a great smell to them. Old, I'm not sure if that's mustard weed or what. This one's vining up the tree too. If you remember, my munch box used to be right in there. It's all growing up. I'm thinking over in here, when all the foliage is off and everything, I might be able to find a way up that hill on my ATV. Maybe. We'll see. They're going way up in there. Real nice. It's a good view from my living room window. Well, I'm across the street now, obviously. Yeah, well, a whole bunch of them here. Real nice. Wow, they go way up into that tree too. Huh. Well, oh, nice color. Here's a little daylily. Yeah, real nice. Yeah, those are all kind of just ugly weeds there. Let's see, the other day I spotted some gourds growing over in here. I don't see any on the vine now. I think Bobcat guy come and snagged the one that I saw. I showed it to him and he said, oh, I'd like to have that. Well, I think he got it. Oh well. Okay, now let's go over here and take a look at Lazarus. Oop, no car coming. Oop, better walk fast. Here comes another one. Oh wow, look at Lazarus. Lazarus really bloomed out this year. Check it out. Wow. Got big. Huh. Real nice. Okay. Yeah, let me see. I see something across the street over here. Let me go back over here. Wow. Gourd plant goes way up there too. There's got to be some more gourds growing on that somewhere. Just don't see any. Huh. I hear a cricket. Bet you I can find a way up the hill here too. That doesn't look too steep. All this growth goes off, I'll be able to see it better. Wow. That's pretty neat. Okay. That's my little nature walk for today. Go back up this way. Fall's in the air, that's for sure. Yeah, my little rock garden. And with my decorative grasses. Okay, that's all, folks.